welcome to the final week giveaway. I have this picture of you. Look, we have a picture to give away. Yes, isn't it beautiful? That's you. That's you in the sunshine. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty? The second giveaway is this one, which is this beautiful boy. Great photo. This is probably one of my favourites that I've taken. Captures the beautiful light behind this precious little boy. And this is the next picture, which is this beautiful ladybird. Look at her. Hello, this is you. Yes, what a beautiful photo of a beautiful lady. See this one? This is photos of the Kookaburra family that I took myself, and I could look at them. Leave a message down below if you would like the chance to have one of these.